In this video, I'll show you how to connect your PS5 to a phone hotspot. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. Alright, so if your home internet is down or you simply don't have access to Wi-Fi, you can use your phone's mobile hotspot to get your PS5 online. Once connected, you'll be able to sign in to PlayStation Network, download games and updates, play online, and access other internet features. So here I'll show you how to do it. First, you need to enable your phone's hotspot. You want to go to settings and then go to hotspot, personal hotspot, or mobile hotspot settings depending on your device, and turn on the hotspot feature. You can set up your hotspot network name and password. Now switch over to your PS5. From the home screen, you want to go to settings, click the gear icon at the top right, and then go to network, select settings, enable connect to the internet, and select setup internet connection. Here you need to hover down and under networks found, select your phone's hotspot from the list. You need to enter the password you just set up, select OK, wait a few moments while your PS5 connects to the internet. Now you're connected to your phone's hotspot. And to make sure everything is working correctly, still in the network settings, you want to go to connection status and you can select test internet connection. Your PS5 will verify that it can connect to the internet and sign in to PlayStation Network. Once the test is complete, you're ready to start using your PS5 with your phone's hotspot. And that'd be it. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video.